Hey everybody, today I want to show you ChatGBT, the AI chat interface where you can type anything in and it'll come back with its suggestions or ideas. So today I'm going to take it for a spin and show you what ideas it recommends when it comes to automation on the Mac. So let's get started. Here, I already have the interface up, and here it tells you some of the examples and its capabilities and limitations. So it can, it'll give you ideas, but some may be incorrect. Other ideas may be harmful. Limited knowledge of world events, because I believe the data that it has collected ended in 2021, actually. So those are some of the limitations. And of course, it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. Allows users to provide follow-up corrections. And remembers what users say in a previous conversation. So anyway, those are just some of its limitations and capabilities. Let's give this a try. So here we go. Ideas for automation Mac. Ideas for automation on the Mac. Here we go. This is our first prompt. Let me remove this little note there. So here we go. Wow, it has lots of ideas. I'm gonna wait till it finishes until reading them. Okay, it's now finished. So the ideas it suggested are Automator. This is a built-in tool that allows you to create custom workflows for automating repetitive tasks. AppleScript, this is a scripting language that allows you to control and automate various aspects of your Mac. Keyboard Maestro, this is a third-party app that allows you to create complex macros and automate tasks across multiple apps. Hazel, this is a third-party app that allows you to automate tasks based on file and folder rules. IFTTT, this is a web-based service that allows you to connect different apps and services together to automate tasks. Scheduling tasks using launched D or cron? Then it doesn't go into a description of what those are. That's odd. The shortcut app. Automate tasks using built-in shortcuts app and Siri. Integration with HomeKit and IFTTT. Scripting with Python, Perl, Ruby, or other scripting languages. Using third-party apps like Alfred, Better Test Tool, and Keyboard Maestro to create custom hotkeys and shortcuts. That's okay. I have to admit that this is slightly different than the other two or three times that I tried to record this video. So let's see if we can see any other examples when they were given when it was given basically the same prompt. Here's another one that I had put in, Mac automation ideas. Okay, so it talks about Automator, AppleScript, Keyboard Maestro, Hazel, IFTT. This time it talks about, down here, it talks about Terminal. So that's different than this last time I tried it out. And this one. So here it gives you use built-in Automator, a built-in tool for creating automated workflows to perform repetitive tasks. Keyboard Maestro, Hazel, AppleScript. Here it gave some examples. Resizing and converting images in bulk, renaming a large number of files, setting your Mac to automatically turn off at specific times, sending a template email. So you see, you can ask the same question in slightly different ways, and it will come up with basically the same response, only slightly modified. Let's ask it about Text Expander. And that says, Text Expander is a software application that allows you to create short abbreviations or snippets for frequently used texts or phrases. When you type one of these abbreviations into any application, Text Expander automatically expands it into the full phrase or text. So it basically gives you a definition and the type of things that it can be used for. This is pretty awesome. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.